ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। ॐ वयं समासप्रकरणं समाप्तम् अकुर्मः। We have completed समासप्रकरणं। वयं कृतः, वयं नहीं, मया अस्माभिः कृतः समासप्रकरणम्। If you want to use निष्ठा प्रत्यय। अधुना इदानीं सम्प्रति वयं प्रत्यय प्रकरणं एक संक्षिप्तरूपेण द्रक्ष्यामः। संक्षिप्तरूपेण द्रक्ष्यामः। प्रथमः वयं प्रत्ययप्रकरणे वयम् अपश्यामः अभ्यास 28 इति निच् प्रत्यय। निच् प्रत्ययस्य मुख्यसूत्र कोऽपि स्मरति वा?
Yes, we also have that mitam hrasva.
मितां ह्रस्व मुख्यसूत्र नास्ति।
Okay, niche is then. Niche will be, niche will be, for me, 1 second. So that is Satya, Papasha, Rupa. Yeah, that. Go ahead, Babaji. Go ahead.
Okay, Satya, Papasha, Rupa, Veena, Tula, Shloka, Sena, Loma, Charmana, Charma, Varna, Churna, Churadibhyo, Nich.
Good. Satyapa, Pasha, Rupa, Veena, Tula, not Tula. Tula, Shloka, Sena, Loma, Tvacha, Varma, Varna. है ना? Tvacha, Varma, Varna. Churna, Churadibhyo, Nich. हाँ, Hetumaticha api. Satyam. So the main thing here is Churadibhyo Nich. That is the aya vikarana pratyaya will come. So prerayati, kre karayati, dhre dharayati. In that way it will go. This aya will come. Lekhayati, darshayati, pathayati, whatever. Inspiration. Then we saw san pratyaya. What meaning of pipatisha is? Patitum icha. The study of icha. Icha of study. Om. San pratyaya. So san pratyaya is for this rupa, sannanta rupa. Nijanta rupa we say. If you see in ashtadhyayi.com, in the drop down you will see Nijanta rupa and Sannanta rupa. This is the artha. Sundarji, mute went off.
Just to get it into my head, our niche pratyaya, we said was to make somebody else do, because it's prernarthaka, right? So it is not us doing, but making others.
Making others do. You went on mute.
Sorry, make others do, because anyway, it's okay. San pratyaya is icha, so that we talked about as dhatu plus tumun plus icha.
Yes.
Is equal to dhatu plus san.
Dhatu plus sun is dhatu plus tumun plus icha. Correct.
Icha. So therefore that is the formula that I have in my mind.
So
And of course, there are multiple other. No, it is ichha karna. So therefore, vaktum ichha, vivakshyami, paditum ichha.
vivakshami nahi, vivaksha. Vaktumicha is vivaksha.
Vaktum ichha, vivaksha. And pipatishati and gamanechati.
Nahi, not.
Want to go.
So gamitum ichhati, jigamisha, in that way. But what is the prashna? Is there a prashna or just observation?
No. I'm just trying. When I think about pratyaya, I want to be able to fix in my mind what this pratyaya will do. So, like for me, I know that if it now nich means making others do. Sun means it is ichha karna. So, like that for each one, the applications of course we will study.
Correct.
I just want a category in my head.
Yes. Correct. You had said that. Sorry, I forgot that. Yeah. Yes. Nich is to prerna, inspiration, or make others do something. Sun is ichha. Arthame, sun pratyaya will come. And agre visakta and ktavatu, they are together called what?
Nishta.
Nishtha.
Ta and ktavatu are nishta. Kritaha kritavan. Patitaha patitavan. Darshitaha darshitavan.
Actually, between this sun and between Nich and sun, we saw Matup very briefly.
Matup is coming in the next abhyasa, so we're not touching it.
Okay, we'll just park it because we saw that. I'm just looking at the order in which we saw.
No, see, Matup was just mentioned in the kosha. Matup analysis didn't happen. That is happening on Abhyasa 52. So tomorrow or day after or whenever.
Okay, tomorrow day. That's right. Thank you.
There will be some others also, like Matup, Vatup I think is there. Chui will come somewhere in the middle. Cha pratyaya. We have seen all of these which are not in the book. But just going through the
ones in the book.
Contents.
Appreciate it.
Abhyasa ekatrimshat, dvatrimshat, kta pratyaya. Agre ktavatu pratyaya. Ktavatu nishta. This is the sutra. Shatra shanach. Continuous tense kind of pratyaya. Shatra shanach. Shatra pratyaya, shanach pratyaya. Both are very common in prayoga. In many Upanishads, Bhashya, Tika, etc. We had seen that. So, gacchati asti. Gacchati asi. In that way this will come. Shatra and Shanach. Agre tumun pratyaya. Tumun pratyaya. Sutra, Mukhya Sutra. Even Shatra Shanach you can say Lataha, Shatra Shanacha va Prathama Samanadikarane. Right?
Yes.
So that is for Shatra Shanach. And Tumun?
Tumun nulvau kriyayam kriyarthayam.
Satyam. Tumun Vulau. Tumun and Nul.
Tumun ulau.
Tumun and Nul. Nvul. We saw Nul also later. So both are together in that. Tumun Vulau kriyayam kriyarthayam. एक अर्थ एक धातु दूसरे धातु भी है तुमुन, तो प्रथम धातु को तुमुन प्रत्यय लगेगा. जैसे पठितुम गच्छामि, खादितुम गच्छामि, anything you can say. Darshitum gacchami. I am going to do this. I am reading to do this, etc. Jnatum pathami. Anything you can say. Tumun pratyay. Or kartum pathami also you can say. Opposite also is okay. Do dhatu. Prathama dhatu tumun pratyay. Tva pratyaya. Mukhya Sutra is there for Tva pratyaya. Many times it gets quoted also. In fact, I think in some Bhashya or Tika, specifically the Tva pratyaya Sutra itself has been quoted by Bhashyakara or Tikakara. Kimasti Mukhya Sutra?
Samana kartrukayogo purvakale.
Samana kartrukayogo purvakale. Samana karta. एक ही करता, पूर्व काल में एक किया और फिर दूसरे काम अभी कर रहे हैं. सो अर्लियर दे डिड ही डिड वन कर्म, ही और शी सेम करता. आफ्टर डूइंग दैट, डूइंग दिस नाउ. एनी श्रुति कोटेशंस दैट मीन दिस? स्मरति वा कोऽपि? There are a few. In that Brihadaranyaka 1.4.10 that came today in Brihadaranyaka in class, there is one Pashyan Pratipede, having seen, or the famous one is in Taittiriya, that Ishvara Paramatma tat srishtva tadeva anupravishat.
Having created everybody, then he.
So both, only one karta there, right?
प्रवेश श्रुति जहाँ होती है.
प्रवेश श्रुति. So प्रवेश किया. तो प्रथमः सृष्टि, then प्रवेश. Both एक ही समान कर्ता. So there त्वा प्रत्यय is used समान कर्तृकयोः पूर्व काले. पूर्व काल में सृष्टि और प्रथम सृष्टि, फिर अनुप्राविशत, अनुप्रवेश, etc. Then
like after plowing, sow the seeds. ऐसे situation में.
You can say yes. You can say after Shravanam do Mananam, something like that also you can say. Shravanam kritva Mananam karotu, you can say. Anyway, Lyap pratyaya. Lyap pratyaya is similar to Tva pratyaya, but what is the difference? Kimasti bheda? भेद इज दिस. त्वा प्रत्यये यदि उपसर्ग अस्ति तर्हि लप् प्रत्यय भवति.
This is lyap is specific to a समास, sir. This समासे न्यय पूर्वे त्वो lyap.
समासे न्यय पूर्वे त्वो lyap. Correct. So samase means if there is upasarga in the front, like upakrishnam, na? See, upasarga. If upasarga, so for example, kri dhatu we can take. Kri dhatu, if I say having done, I want to do this. ये करके मैं उसको करना है. But you want to say with twa pratyaya. So you will say kri plus twa will be what?
Krutva.
Kritva. But let's say now I am going to add upasarga. So upakri will become
Upakritva.
But
upakaroti, something like that.
No. So here is where lyap pratyaya will come. Same artha. When upasarga is added to dhatu, you cannot use twa pratyaya. You have to use lyap pratyaya.
Lyap.
कृ प्लस ये करने का अर्थ में कृत्वा, किया वैसे अर्थ में कृत्वा, ये करके. बट इफ यू ऐड उप, देन इट बिकम उपकृत्य. lyap will come. Upagamya, gatva, adhigamya, these kinds of words are common, right? Adhigamya, avagamya, prakritya. Twa is there, but because of pra upasarga or upa upasarga or kimapi upasarga, lyap pratyaya bhavati. Upakritya, pragamya, prakritya, itivat. So they are one category only. If you want to put some category to it, twan lyap are for samana kartrikayo, samana karta only. But samase ne purve tvo lyap. In tva pratyaya, if there is upasarga and it's become like a samasa, then you cannot use tva pratyaya anymore. You have to make it lyap. So, for example,
sorry, Akashi, when we go to Ashtadhyayi, we don't get the udaharana, right?
You have to go to each dhatu. You have to select some dhatu. Go to dhatu pata, select dhatu. Like for example, I can now select gam, right? If I say gam dhatu, and I can go to krudante. In krudante, you have to find lyap or twa, whichever. Twa is there, see, twa. Example they are given pragatya pragamya. Now I have a question. Gam dhatu tva pratyaya kim asti? Rupa.
Pratyaya Gam dhatu will be
Okay. Gatva it will be. Okay, see this. For Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi, there is a Mangala Charanam. It starts as Natva Saraswatim Devim. In that way it will start. Natva. Nam dhatu. Namaskar karne ka arth.
नमन करने के बाद
So Natva will come. This is which pratyaya? Natva. Tva pratyaya. But let us say I want to add pra upasarga here. So what will the shabda become from?
प्रपन्न, जैसे प्रपन्न शब्द है.
Prapanna is not for natva, na? Namaskar karne ka is not for prapanna.
So it will go to left. We'll have to shift to left because of the upasarga. So we'll have to go into left. So therefore, that will become. One second, I have to.
There are Gita shlokas. Pranamya shirasa devam. In that way Arjuna also says, right? Kritanjalira bhashata. Sanjay Vacha, I think. Pranamya, having done namaskara. So you see, it is not pranatva.
प्रणम्य के लिए शब्द था प्रणाम. नत्वा का शब्द है नम.
नहीं, शब्द नहीं, धातु बोल रहे हैं.
धातु नम, करेक्ट. सो वैसे which उपशब्द
उपसर्ग
came to pra upasarga.
pra upasarga. Both dhatu is nam only. Nam dhatu only. Dhatu does not change. If there is an upasarga.
So, I just want one step back. कि suppose हमने प्रणम्य word derive किया, तो उसके एक पहले का शब्द क्या है या धातु? How do we know?
Nam.
How do we know इस बार हमें प्रणम्य करना है?
क्योंकि उपसर्ग देखना है पहले. अगर कोई शब्द है तो उसमें क्या उपसर्ग है वैसे देखना है. तो पहले तो प्रणम्य में कौन सी उपसर्ग है? प्र कौन सा?
प्रणम्य तो अगर जी ल्यप के बाद हुआ ना, तो बिफोर ल्यप वो शब्द को क्या था? केवल अगर नम होता तो हम नत्वा करते.
हाँ, करेक्ट. नम होता तो नत्वा करते. प्र उपसर्ग है ना. प्र.
So the question was pra upasarga nam. Then what is the rupa? ऐसा पूछा है.
I don't understand the question.
Okay, the sutra that governs this pranamya etc. is this lyapi lagu purvat.
No. Okay.
In that abhyasa, the example is given under that.
That's okay. That's okay, but that doesn't help the answer, right? See, like nam dhatu is there, right? So Abaji, your question is nam dhatu को त्वा प्रत्यय लगा के हम नत्वा किया, राइट?
यस.
सो ये प्रणम्य शब्द कहाँ से आया, ये है ना प्रश्न.
करेक्ट.
तो प्रणम्य में नम धातु ही है, बट उपसर्ग है. नत्वा में उपसर्ग नहीं है.
सो इफ जी आकाश जी, अगर मुझे शब्द दिया है प्रणम्य और पूछा है धातु क्या है, तो आई कैन से प्र उपसर्ग नम है.
नहीं, धातु क्या है मतलब नम धातु. नहीं, धातु क्या है मतलब नम.
अगर धातु नम दिया है तो मैं प्रणम्य कैसे करूंगी ना, अनलेस कोई कहे कि इसको कोई उपसर्ग लगाओ और उसको यूज करो.
हाँ.
तो ही मैं प्रणम्य तक पहुंचूंगी ना.
करेक्ट.
आई वाज जस्ट थिंकिंग ऑफ द प्रोसेस ऑफ कमिंग टू इट.
करेक्ट. सो नम धातु है. अगर किसी ने बोला कि अच्छा ये नम धातु नमस्कार करके खाओ, somebody can say ना. So when you are doing भंडारा, नमस्कार करके आप खाओ, वैसे बोल सकते हैं कोई. तो So then they will say natva khada. Right? Natva में त्वा प्रत्यय है. But then they can equally say pranamya khada. दोनों में नम धातु है. But that pra upasarga means it will become lyap. You cannot say pranatva. That is not
Yeah,
shuddha.
we cannot say pranatva. We cannot say pranatva और neither pranam करके कोई धातु देगा कि आप उसका.
If I can just address it slightly. See, I think in some of these places we read the word and then try to figure out what the meaning is. It is not that how, I mean, Hindi से संस्कृत बनाओ नहीं है. It is a संस्कृत का हिंदी बनाओ. So when you see the word pranamya, you know that it is a depth, this thing, etc., etc. I think we have to come down rather than try to go up, because that approach is a bit more complicated. If we say how do we go up from nam to pranamya, but seeing pranamya and saying it is nam dhatu, I think that is more our kind of use of reading Bhashya Tika.
The consensus here, the end here, is that it is nam dhatu. So you see a dhatu and then you can add a pratyaya and it becomes a new shabda. However, in the case of tva pratyaya, if before the dhatu, so this is just pure vyakarana, right? This is the rule. There is a dhatu and there is tva pratyaya. But in this dhatu, if you put an upasarga, then this cannot be tva pratyaya anymore. This has to be lyap. So if you see a shabda that is ending in lyap pratyaya, find the upasarga. That is why lyap is coming. Now I have a question. Let's go to gam dhatu. Just say nam, because there is a lot of confusion, it feels like. Nam we said natva, pranamya, etc. Let's say gam dhatu, right? After going, having gone, तो जाके इसको संस्कृत में कैसे बोलना है? How do you say? Gatva. Gatva. Now you say having come, आके कैसे बोलना है? Not आगत्वा. Why आगत्वा?
Agatya.
हाँ. Why आगत्य?
क्योंकि आ उपसर्ग लगा है.
Correct.
Correct. That's why Agatya.
That's all. This is the meaning. When there is no upasarga, just use tva. If at all there is an upasarga, agatya, agamya, both are correct. You have to put here. Okay.
Yeah.
Nich,
Good example. Thank you.
nich, san, kta, ktavatu, shatre, shanach, tumun, ktva, lyap. Agre, abhyasa ekona chatvarimshat, nava trimshat, tavya, near. These are both used in what? If you have to give a word to categorize this, what word can we use?
Chahiye. I want.
तव्या नहीं है.
Chahiye.
नो दो इच्छाओं में हो गया ना, सन वगैरह में चाहिए.
Wait.
Think of an example. Where do you use tavya or aniyar? Which dhatu, which shabda?
Gamaniyam.
Gamaniyam. So what is the artha of gamaniyam?
See, Tavya we have always talked about as Vidhi.
That's all. That is the answer.
Forceful thing.
That's the answer. Na? Vidhi. Why
Vidhi.
why
Tavya,
इच्छा and चाहिए? Not vidhi.
Yeah.
करना है, कर्तव्य. बस ना, ये कर्तव्य. Like आत्मावारे द्रष्टव्य. That whole discussion we had, is this vidhi, not vidhi. That, through vyakarana, tavya pratyay is for vidhi. Lot, vidiling, tavya, aniyar. विधि. हाँ जी.
अक्का जी, जो रचनानुवाद कौमुदी का एक्सप्लेनेशन है ना,
हाँ.
अभ्यास 39, उसमें they have said चाहिए अर्थ में तव्यत और अनियर प्रत्यय होते हैं.
चाहिए. हाँ, okay. That's why Sundar ji you said चाहिए. So the meaning is करना चाहिए. वैसे ये तो करना चाहिए in that way. You have to do like that.
So that's the vidhi.
हाँ.
That particular style of language is used to say
Yes.
this is a vidhi.
Yes.
Compulsory.
Yeah. So Sundarji, you are correct in the sense chahiye, sorry, but it is not really chahiye. Ichha will mean son.
Yeah,
You have to use vidhi.
Yes,
We can
son.
use vidhi. Na? Maybe they have not used vidhi shabda at all here.
No, so that's correct. No. Even I was wondering where did I get this chahiye?
हाँ.
Thank you, Abaji, because I obviously put it from the book.
हाँ. चाहिए मतलब करना चाहिए, पढ़ना चाहिए, जाना चाहिए.
पढ़ना चाहिए.
You have
And
to go.
aniya is less forceful of the same matter.
Correct. हाँ. Abaji, we don't.
No, nothing. It
Ah.
was a joke.
Ah.
Sundarji, we don't disclose how students, have a partnership. So I saved it.
Of course, thank you.
No, that aniyar is correct in the sense. Generally, when they have to use very forceful things, they'll use tavya. So, Mimamsaka, for example, more often than not, they'll use tavya to do some vidhi vakya. They will use aniyar, but not as often. More tavya. So, tavya and aniyar are together. Vidhi vakya jaise. Agre. Yat ach. Actually, ये कंटेंट पेज में शब्द वर्ग ये सब भी दिए हैं इन्होंने. विद्यालय वर्ग, प्राणी वर्ग, पक्षी वर्ग, शरीर वर्ग, टाइप्स ऑफ बॉडी पार्ट्स, नेम्स ऑफ एनिमल्स एंड बर्ड्स, ये सब हमने देखा ना ये उस कोश में. ऑल दैट दे आर गिवन. जल वर्ग एटसेट्रा. एनीवे, यत प्रत्यय एंड अच प्रत्यय. यत प्रत्यय और अच प्रत्यय ऑन अभ्यास 40 ये भी चाहिए. दे हैव गिवन.
ये भी चाहिए.
So चाहिए they are given for so many. चाहिए या योग्य. So the better thing is here योग्य. अगर कोई योग्य है, worthy of, fit to be in that way. जैसे example they have given पेयम देयानी. हाँ, पुस्तकानि दे दानम देयम. Dhanam is worthy of being given in that way. Deyam. In Bhaja Govindam, that line comes, right? Deyam, Heyam, all of those will come in one line. Mayastheyam. Yogyata. Yogyata is given by Yat Pratyaya. And Ach Pratyaya. Ach Pratyaya talks about, like the example they are given is Prachadi Ach. The Karaha. But there are two types of Ach as they had given, if you remember. Let's see the Abhyasa only. 18.
So one is Pach and one is Erach.
One is Pach and one is Erach. Two are there. That is a sutra. Na? A Pach in the sense, Pachadi Ach. There is one sutra. That is part of a sutra. And Erach is a separate sutra. Pachadi Ach is part of which sutra? Any memory?
Nandigrahi.
हाँ, Nandigrahi Pachadibhyo. Lyunini Acha.
Pachadibhyo.
There three pratyas are there. हाँ,
Lyunin Yach.
Lyut, Nini and Ach.
Lyut,
हाँ,
Any Ach.
Ach. Those three are there. Together they put Lyunini Acha. So this Pachadi Ach is the third one. Ach. And Nandigrahi Pacha. Nandigrahi Pachadibhyo. So Nandi, Lyut. Grahi, Nini. And Pachadi, Ach. So Pachadi Ach became Pachadyat through eco energy. That is this thing they have given here. Prayaha Pachadi. So this Karta basically, Pachaha is like Pachakaha. It is like saying Pachakaha. That is, or Pachakaha. Like there is a karma that is being done in that way. This will be close to another pratyaya, Nul, which will come later. But for now, this is the meaning. They say, Ach ka शेष रहता है, संज्ञा शब्द बन जाता है. So धातु will become sanya basically, and it is always going to be pullinga. This is what I want to see. Always will be pullinga. So kru will become karaha. Kru dhatu guna hoke karaha. Kara matlab haath. Why? Because haath karoti na. In that way. Karaha karoti iti karaha. you can say, paribhasha. So the thing that is doing, in that way it will become. नद नदहा, बड़ी नदी को नदहा बोलते हैं वैसे. दिव देवहा, पच पचहा, cook, in that way. So it is sort of like karta, but it is more that the guna dhatu has directly become sanya after having done guna. However, erach is also there. In this way, chayaha, jayaha. Jayaha is not karta, na? Jayaha does not mean karta, like how when you say Jai Sri Ram or something like that. It is not going to be karta. It is the karma itself, doing, winning. Chayaha, nayaha, jayaha, ashrayaha, avidya ke ashray, etc. comes in Vedanta. So the ashrayaha, it is ashraya in that. It is the karma itself in a sense. So ach pratyaya is unique in the sense it can take both forms. Either you through Nandigrahi Prachadibhyo Lunniyacha, you can say karta ke arth mein. Or through Erat Sutra, you can say karma ke arth mein. There is another.
So they are saying Erach applies to the shabda that end in E. Erach applies to the.
Those dhatus that end in E. Like?
Those dhatus.
ची धातु, चिंग चाइने, ची धातु, जी धातु, नी, ई मतलब दीर्घ also they have given, आश्री etc. And उपसर्ग also is there. You see, आश्री में आंग उपसर्ग पूर्व श्री धातु. इसी प्रकार प्र, why प्र? For pra also this will come, and for V also this will come. Pra, pranayanam. हाँ, when that is there, then it will become.
Ikara is in upasarga as well is okay.
Yes.
That's what it means.
Yes. So erach will work in that kind of case. In that case, erach will. Otherwise, it is going to be pachadiyach and digrahi pachadiyach. But what is
Vinaya shabda mein? What is the
V? V upasarga ni dhatu. Yehi dhatu plus V.
And pranayah, pra upasarga?
Same. Ni dhatu.
Ni dhatu. So actually in all of them, if we remove the upasarga and see, the dhatu is E hai dhatu mein.
हाँ, exactly. वो धातु, the not the upasarga is not the point, na? The dhat, like for example, when this lung lakara thing had come, right? That past tense, bhutakala arth mein lakara, if some upasarga is there in the dhatu, the akara, like pat dhatu apathat, you say, right, for lung lakara. But if I say some samyak patati, sam patati, so here I will not say asam patana, I say samapatha. The akara will go for the dhatu, not for the upasarga.
Just before patha.
The akara matters for the dhatu. Generally it is like that. All dhatus only get the rule. Upasarga is added to that. So here also, pra ni upasarga, shri upasarga, vi ni upasarga, vi upasarga ni dhatu, pra upasarga shri dhatu, pra upasarga ni dhatu. You have to check for the dhatu. Either upasarga is there or not. Then erach will work. Then another pratyaya they have given here is up pratyaya. So up they have given because a and a ending dhatus are here, right? In this niyama. Da, ga, stha, ma, all of this is here. Then in pachadiyach, pach dhatu, div dhatu, kr, nad, chur, ऐसे धातुस. And then erach, ikaranta, chi, ji, ni, etc. Somebody can get the question, what about other endings? What about r, o, u, those kinds of endings? U, r, ये तीनों को up pratyaya will come. This will become guna and pullinga shabda. Kriya same again will be karaha only. Karne wala. In that way, this will be the difference. Here, karoti iti karaha here, hat. But here, kru karaha will become karne wala. So this karaha shabda will be used in both cases. Depending on context, you have to say, is it ach pratyaya or ap pratyaya? And very subtle difference, you see. Karaha is also karne wala only actually. But here the karaha can be used for other things also with ap pratyaya. Not only for
This has to be seen in context, है ना? How will we know? कहीं पर अगर करह शब्द आया है भाष्य में, we did not know. Because
so in there is one bhashya, one samasa shabda comes very often. Karatala amalakavat. The amalaka fruit, the bhashyakara says, jnanam is so clear, that it is like that fruit on the hand. Here you take ach pratyaya because krikaraha. But bhashyam karoti iti bhashyakaraha, or karaha in the sense sukha karaha, the one that is doing sukha, giving sukha, kara also you can say. That way, if there is karne wala karaha, then it is apratyaya.
Okay, so here the meaning is kara, hands. There the meaning is the one who is doing. वहाँ कर्ता अर्थ में है.
Yes, and the difference here.
Yeah. So संज्ञा अर्थ में, वहाँ कर्ता अर्थ में.
Correct. ये करने वाला, this is a better way. संज्ञा अर्थ में you can say, to understand this, ये करने वाला के अर्थ में. करने वाला, गृह निगलने, गृह नी उपसर्ग पूर्वक गृह धातु, निगलना, निगलने वाला, निगराहा. In that way this will become. Here it is like you said, karta. Karta, na? That's what you said. Karta.
Karta is for ach.
Acha, हाँ, karta is for ach. And for up you say?
Ach.
Sanya.
Ap is karne wala, the one who is doing.
Correct. That way you can take. And बीच में जो ach एक और है, this is not karta, this is karma. This is the karya that is being done, not karma. Karya is better.
Correct, like that pachaha.
हाँ, pacha, no, pachaha is karta only.
No, pachaha is karta.
Jayaha.
Jayaha, chayah, nayaha, ashrayah.
Yeah, correct.
Correct. There it is
Something in between.
kriya in that way. Something that is done. Jayaha, winning, na? In that. Doing work. So generally, these are all be used in bhavvachya. I don't know if they have written that somewhere. ये सब ना भाववाच्य के अर्थ में ही नॉर्मली होते हैं. हाँ, यत प्रत्यय कर्मवाच्य और भाववाच्य में होता है. सो विच विल इट नॉट बी इन? इसमें नहीं होगा.
कर्तृवाच्य में नहीं होगा.
सत्यम. सो कर्तृवाच्य में नहीं होगा मतलब जनरली यू विल फाइंड दैट कर्ता इज गिवन इन तृतीया व्हेन यत प्रत्यय कम्स. कर्ता में तृतीया ये है, कर्ता में तृतीया, कर्म में प्रथमा. This will be the artha. But here when you take for ach pratyaya, right? This itself is karta. This is for ach pratyaya, yat pratyaya, acho yat. But in reality, all of these generally will come in karmavachya or bhavavachya, generally speaking. In fact, in the examples, that is what we saw. Tena maya vidyadhyaya, maya tvaya. These are all karmavachya. Maya is in aham tritiya ekavachanam maya, tvam tritiya ekavachanam tvaya. So karta is in tritiya. Karta will be in tritiya when there is in bhavavachya, karmavachya or bhavavachya. So three pratyayas are added in one abhyasa. But the meanings are all quite similar. Yat, ach, and up. Another pratyaya here. Ghai pratyaya. Ghai pratyaya, you see, pakna. the act of doing. घै. But घै में भी दो अर्थ होगा. In घै also there will be two. Generally it is like that is why they are given two sutras for घै, right? एक ये सूत्र है, एक ये दो सूत्र है. I don't know the numbers for bhave and akartari chakarake sanyaya. 3318 and 3319.
Correct.
हाँ, भावे अर्थ में घै प्रत्यय is for the act of cooking. जैसे पाकः, this is in भावे अर्थ. This is an example for भावे अर्थ. हसी पाकः. But akartari chakarake sanyayam, this says it will be the actor itself, but not directly karta. It is going to be a factor, a tool, an instrument in that way. That is the artha of akartari chakarake sanyaya. Through this.
Sorry, that second bit is not very clear.
Think of a karta, right? Like think of I am the karta, let's say. Aham.
Right.
And I'm going to write.
Right.
But I will use kara.
Correct.
So karaha you can put ghai pratyay. It is doing, but it is the instrument. It is not directly the karta.
Okay.
Factor, instrument, tool, ये सब बोल सकते हैं. ये देखिए कारक. That is why they have given here धातु के अर्थ में या कर्ता. धातु के अर्थ में या कर्ता को छोड़कर अन्य कारक का अर्थ बताने के लिए. कर्ता को छोड़कर, डोंट टेक कर्ता, अन्य कारक जैसे कर. Like buddhi also. I am thinking with buddhi, I can say. Getting jnana through reading. That also. In such cases, अन्य कारक जो है कर्ता को छोड़कर.
So this is like our asadharana karanam.
हाँ, you can say that. Like a न्याय.
Yeah, asadharana karanam.
This is for ghai pratyaya. Ghai pratyaya is fairly common. They are given lot of examples with upasargas, different dhatus, what rupa it will take, etc. in ghai pratyaya. You know, at the end of this book, PDF में ये नहीं है, मेरे बुक से मैं फोटो भेजता हूँ, तो उसमें each धातु with what pratyay, what rupa it will take, that is given. So after we finish all 60 abhyasas, we'll see that, and that will become clear. Another very... हाँ जी, everybody has... Yeah, everyone has, but no, I'll take a picture. Yeah, you can see already now, but I'll still take a picture and send. Okay.
Page 222, Baba.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Agre. Trich pratyaya. Trich pratyaya. Only trich in this abhyasa. Trich pratyaya mein. So actually in the last full kind of revision or summary that we did, we had done only till abhyasa saptatrimshat, I think, till 37, till ktva pratyaya we had done. So today we have done lyap, tavya, niyar, yat, ach, ghai. All of these are new in terms of revision, summary, but of course you have seen them in detail. So you see, so many pratyayas are there. If you get lost in the middle, let's say after 5 or 6 pratyayas, it is not clear. पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है, ये है वो है. And many of them are similar. घै प्रत्यय में भी करता है, अच प्रत्यय में भी करता है, यत में भी करता है, वो दूसरे में त्वा प्रत्यय में भी करता है, सब में करता है. So then what you say, like Sundar ji first said, एक एक शब्द just to categorize, just to give one meaning to it. Just 1, 3 or 4 words for each pratyaya. That will be very helpful. Just summary jaise.
In fact, I found that problem also with you where the anta is on, like on, and the shanach also it will be on, and in tavatu also it will be on, and patitavan, and it's that ending of that on in that shabda. Different.
Correct. That is there. That is a very common confusion in the beginning. But the more we see and the more we sort of separate. Like for example, the an ending in ktavatu, right? In ktavatu pratyaya, the an ending only comes for pullinga ekavachana, prathama ekavachana, patitavan. Because strilinga is patitavati and napumsakalinga is patitavat. Only for an pullinga prathama ekavachanam you get an. Versus shanach pratyaya vartamanaha. It is different. It is not specifically only to one linga or one vachana, etc. Avidyayam antare vartamanaha. Swayam dhiraha panditam manyamanaha. There they say shanach. They are all going like that. In that. But here it will only come for pullinga prathama vibhakti ekavachanam. That is the only place you will find tavatu. And you will say sa patitavan. Patitavan. But then sa patyamanaha you can say. So the small differences will be there. The va and ma, in some places they will interchange. In both pratyayas they will come. But you have to see the context and see. Ktavatu is always going to come in bhutakal. Here for shanach to come in bhutakal, you have to put asit, etc. will come, and then the context you have to see in that way. So there will be small subtle differences if we check a bit. Astu agre trich pratyaya. Trich pratyaya is also karta artha. And trich pratyaya actually is the real karta artha. जैसे कर्तृ में प्रथमा एकवचन. कर्तृ इज दिस अ संज्ञा, अ धातु, अ प्रातिपदिक और अव्यय और उपसर्ग. व्हाट इज कर्तृ? शब्द.
I think it's the kri is the dhatu.
Kri is dhatu. Okay. Kartri.
Meaning, according to the meaning, it is a sanya. Can be visheshana as a karne wala. Sanya category में आएगा.
Okay. So if kartri will be sanya or shabda, or you can pay pratipadika also if you want to say. Then what is prathama ekavachanam? If this is clear to us, a lot of Vyakarana will become clear. Prathama ekavachanam kartri shabda kim? करने वाला. हाँ, तो संस्कृत में
so that is itself prathama ekavachanam.
So what is prathama dvivachanam? How will the shabda form if it is prathama ekavachanam? So what is karta? Which vachanam and vibhati is karta?
These ones we have to really get into this.
Not really. I mean, it is. This is logic. Think about it. Karne wala. Which vibhakti will be karne wala?
Karne wala will be karta only, right? Prathama only.
Prathama. Okay.
Prathama.
And how many karne walas are there?
If there is only one person, there is only one.
Only one. So ekavachanam.
ekvachana prathama vibhakti.
So what is kartri? Because earlier you said kartri is prathama ekavachanam, but now you're saying karta is prathama ekavachanam. Which is it?
So kartru will be pratipadika.
You see, it is here, na? It's here. Rama Shabda, Hari Shabda, Sakhi Shabda, Guru Shabda, Panchama Kartri Shabda, Karne Wala, Karta. Karta is Prathama Ekavachanam, but Kartri is not Prathama Ekavachanam. Kartri is the Shabda. These small things, you know, this Tri, Tra, etc., where it is a little confusing, if we get it, there's not much difficulty after that.
So we are saying the word Pratipadika, Shabda, we are calling it as like Paryayavachi.
In this sense, yeah. In this context, we are calling Paryayavachi. Not always may they be Paryayavachi. Some places it is important like this. Others like Asau today came, right? Today, yesterday, all this Asau.
Today was there.
What is the Pratipadika if the question is? Then you say Adas Pratipadika. And sometimes Shabda, how does the Shabda decline? That kind of question will also come.
Yeah.
So you can say sometimes.
But can we say Adas Shabda? No. We have to say Adas Pratipadika.
Yeah, technically Shuddha way would be Adas Pratipadika. But this Adas Shabda declination, how does it go? People ask. Akurvati Shabda Kim Bhavishyati. In that way people ask. They may not ask Pratipadika always. Rama Shabda.
I used to think जी कि प्रातिपदिका जो होता है उसके अलावा बाकी सब कुछ जो है आर शब्दास बिकॉज उनका डायरेक्टली प्रयोग हो सकता है. Everything apart from प्रातिपदिका is actually a usable शब्द.
No, Pratipadika also, in that way of thinking, Pratipadika also can be a Shabda. Shabda is just word. There are different types of words, right? Even in
usable शब्द, I was qualified. किसी सेंटेंस में आप प्रातिपदिका डायरेक्टली नहीं यूज कर सकते हो ना?
Yeah, okay, usable Shabda. Sure. That way you can say. Like this is the, if you want to see in English, you know, Shabda means what? Word. Nouns are words, verbs are words, adjectives are words, root words are words. They're all words. Pratipadika, Dhatu, Sanya, everything is Shabda. But it is better to specify what we are talking about. This is Trich Pratyaya. Then we'll just finish off till 40, whatever. Next two are Lut and Vul. So Lut Pratyaya we had already seen today. Any memory where we saw Lut Pratyaya? Pachadyat. Nandigrahi Pachadibhyo Lut. Luning Yachaha. Lut is there also. Lut example is a very good example. Darshanam. What they have given here? Gamanam. Gamanam, Pathanam, Yajanam, Bhajanam, Karanam, Haranam, Baranam, Maranam, Rodanam, Shochanam, Darshanam, Vedanta Darshanam. That is also okay. Vyakarana, Ad-Darshanam, Darshanam, Shravanam, Mananam, Nidhyasanam. In all of that, Lut is coming. भाववाच्य शब्द बनाने के लिए धातु से ल्युट प्रत्यय होता है. Is the act itself that is being done. जो कर रहे हैं हम, श्रवणम कर रहे हैं, मननम कर रहे हैं, या गमनम कर रहे हैं, पठनम कर रहे हैं, करणम कर रहे हैं, whatever, जो हो रहा है, maybe that is better. श्रवणम हो रहा है, गमनम हो रहा है, in that. सूत्र मुख्य सूत्र is ल्युट च. This Mukhya Sutra for Trich Pratyaya is also Mukhya. It is very often. Tikakara has used this Shabda, this Sutra is quoted, or Tippanikara somewhere. In one of the major Upanishads, it is coming in our Kailasashram books, etc. Nul Trichau Shabda will make Kartra, Hartra. So, in Tat Srishtva, Tadevanu Pravishat, is Trich Pratyaya anywhere?
सृष्ट्वा तदेव अनुप्राविशत्. So
look for the r. In fact, example will be there. So Nul Trichau.
Three, 1, 1, 3, 3. We can go like that.
Okay. Oh, sorry, I am checking in Dhatu Pata, that's why. Nul Trichau. In this there are some famous, very nice examples. Siddhanta Kaumadi, you see how many examples they have given. Rabdha, Labdha, Radha, Namshta, Eshta. All of these are the one that is doing. Srashta, Tad Srishtva.
So it's like again karne wala arth.
Karne wala arth. Actually, this is the real, the close, very accurate kind of karne wala arth. Jaise karta, namshta, eshta, srashta, tad srishtva tadevanu pravishat mein srashta, drashta, nahi drashtur drishter viparilopo, drashta. That is also trich. Manta, all of that. Shrota, Shrotru Shabda, that has become Shrota. Prathama Ekvacha. Anyway, this is Trich Pratyaya. We have already come to the next one. Kimasti Lyut. Lyut Pratyaya, jo ho raha hai, Shravanam, Mananam, Darshanam, Gamanam, whatever. And Nul Pratyaya will also be for this Karne wala arth. But then you see that there is a difference. Karakaha, Karika, Karakam, Karika, Mandukya, Karika. So there this kind of pratyaya is coming. Nul Tacha, okay? Nul. This is all Nul pratyaya. Pathakaha. Generally, the indicator of Nul pratyaya is Karta versus Trich pratyaya is Karta versus Ach pratyaya versus Ap pratyaya and all this. Generally, the ending will have Ka, Kakara. Generally speaking. You see? Karakaha, Karika, Karakam, Patakaha, Patika, Patakam, Lekakaha, Harakaha, Samharakaha, Dharakaha, Marakaha. Everything has Ka. Dadatu, Dayakaha, Dhadatu, Dhayakaha, Payakaha, Dhatakaha, Janakaha. Jaise Ka ending, of course, this is not a technical usage. This is not like the way you explain it. It is karne wala only. But this is a little trick to realize, identify which pratyaya is coming here. Nul. Agre khal pratyaya. Ka pratyaya also. Ka pratyaya. Igopadagnya prikiraha kaha. Bud budaha. Janne wala. This also will be karta arth mein. Karne wala arth mein. In fact, how we did that Visarga Sandhi analysis? Visarjaniyasya saha, sasajushoruho, atororapluta shunashtuhu, soho shunashtuhu. All of these are for different visargas. In all of them, visarga is there. Depending on second word, something is working. Like that, for pratyaya we can say, karta ke arth mein jo kya pratyaya hai. But what is the differentiator? Bhed kya hai? That will help.
That will be really helpful, honestly.
We'll do that. We'll do that also at some point. Maybe tomorrow or something.
It will be really helpful.
Yeah, that will be helpful. That will be a good
Intuitively, you
exercise.
should see the word and know what it should be. Then we can look at what form it has taken,
Correct.
etc.
Correct.
You should know the meaning.
This page, right, in that book, at the end of the book, with the dhatu and जो प्रत्यय यूज होते हैं
222
पेज 222 में वहां पे वी कैन चेक व्हाट शब्दस आर कमिंग फॉर त्रिच वर्सेस अच्छा, वहाँ पे तो ये सब प्रत्यय नहीं है. They have only given 10 or 11 main प्रत्ययs. They have not given these up and all. But okay, we can make a list. It's not difficult. It's not a huge challenge. You just have to check कर्ता के अर्थ में क्या क्या है और क्या शब्द है for each धातु. लिख लिखा. This is all kap pratyaya. Krishaha, Nyagnaha, Vignaha, Pragnaha. All of this also kap pratyaya. Egopadagnya prikiraha kaha. And for khal pratyaya, what is the sutra? Ishad dustushu they have given. Agre. What is the artha for khal pratyaya? That is more important, right? What artha is there? Reached 1 hour.
कठिन या सरल अर्थ में.
हाँ, ये है अर्थ. कठिन या सरल.
दुष्करः सुकरः
सत्य.
सुलभः.
हाँ, so this is the artha. Difficult and easy. दुष्पूरेणानलेन च, the tam durdarsham duram anupravishtam. Many examples are there. Du के लिए, सु के लिए भी. ईशद दुष्टुषु कृच्छ्रा कृच्छ्रार्थेषु कल. This is for kal pratyaya. कल प्रत्यय इज फॉर दिस अर्थ, कठिन या सरल अर्थ में. खल. अग्रे. अभ्यास पंच चत्वारिंशत्. इन पंच चत्वारिंशत् there is ktin, an and nini. Ktin, an, nini. This is the last abhyasa before the samasa, so we'll just see quickly what it is. Ktin, an and nini. Striyam ktin. Ktin pratyaya is for स्त्रीलिंग शब्द. जैसे स्तुति ही, भूति ही, धृति ही, कृति ही स्त्रीलिंग. ती प्रत्यांत शब्द स्त्रीलिंग ही होते हैं, क्तिन प्रत्यय बोलते हैं. एंड स्त्री प्रत्यय आर देयर. लास्ट अभ्यास इज फॉर स्त्री प्रत्यय, दैट वी विल सी लेटर. देन अन प्रत्यय कर्मणि. कर्मणि अन. कर्मवाच्य पद के पहले हो तो धातु से अन हो जाए.
Sorry, just sticking with this thin before we go to an. Give that 3-worder English for this thin pratyaya. We just said strilinga, but what would that verb do?
करना. ये देखिए, कृ कृति ही करना, धृति धरना.
Dharna. So it is again the act of doing.
Yeah, but in Strilinga.
Yeah, act of doing. Okay.
Act of doing you can take just for preliminary understanding, you know. If you want to translate into some other language, it is only like an entry level kind of understanding. But like you said, the nuances you have to analyze with this.
Yeah, the nuances we'll have to analyze. I know also whether it's Saptami, Shashti and all of that, I guess, all that will come into play. But at least if we know there's a thin pratyaya, it is the act of doing something in Strilinga.
हाँ, and it will end जैसे यहाँ पे कृति, धृति, हृति, धृति. भगवान says right in Mati 17, 18th chapter में धृति, all that comes, right? 3 types of धृति. How is the satvika karta, dhrityutsaha samanvita, dhriti utsaha. So all of those places there is thing pratyay.
So just a dhrit.
हाँ, just a. हाँ, Abaji, you said something. Sorry, I couldn't hear. ओके. कर्मणि अन प्रत्यय कोई कर्मवाचक पद. हाँ.
Okay, I think I was on mute.
Yes.
This is stuti and mati. These shabdas are samnya shabda.
हाँ, स्तुति ही, मति ही. That is the thing pratyay. Mati is the shabda. मति शब्द. मति ही. मति शब्द के प्रथमा एकवचनम is mati hi. So that is there. Tin pratyaya is there.
So our hari hi om, hari hi would be tin pratyaya.
But hari hi is not strilinga, na?
It's for Strilinga. Good point. Good point. Good point.
You have to check for Strilinga. Anyway, कर्मणि अण कर्मवाचक पद पहले हो तो अण प्रत्यय लगता है, तो अण प्रत्यय का विकरण इज ऑल्सो अ, धातु को वृद्धि होती, दैट इज द डिफरेंशिएटर. देखिए भाष्यकारः, देखिए कुंभकारः, ऑल ऑफ दीज प्लेसेस देयर इज अण, कृ धातु को वृद्धि होती है, सो इट इज बिकम कारः, सूत्रधारः. That. And final before samasa begins is what is this pratyay? Nini pratyay. हाँ, nini nandi grahi pachadi lyunin lyunini achaha lyunini. That is why they again just nandi grahi grahyadibhyo nini. वाला ये भी कर्ता के अर्थ में, बट देन देर आर डिफरेंट, दिस इज ऑल्सो कर्ता बट द शब्द विल चेंज. सी अर्थ विल बी कर्ता ओनली फॉर ऑल ऑफ देम, बट इफ यू हैव सीन, मे बी वी कैन डू दैट प्रैक्टिस, द शब्द विल बी डिफरेंट. जैसे ब्रह्मचारी, सन्यासी और अधिकारी, व्हाई शुड वी थिंक ऑफ डिफरेंट वंस. निवासी, स्थायी, उपकारी, अधिकारी. You see the difference here versus पाचकः. Here is the difference. Both are कर्ता के अर्थ में only. But what is happening to the शब्द? That is the difference.
मीनिंग से हम प्रत्यय नहीं डिसाइड कर सकते हैं. मीनिंग हमको पता चाहिए है,
केवल
अंडरस्टैंड.
हाँ,
केवल मीनिंग से नहीं, हमको फॉर्म पे एक्ट कैसे हो रहा है उस पर फोकस.
फॉर्म भी चाहिए.
ये लेटर ऐड होता है, इसमें ये ऐड होता है. दैट इज एग्जैक्टली व्हाई दे कीप दैट.
करेक्ट.
उसके रूप से ही आपको समझना पड़ेगा.
करेक्ट. तो व्याकरण में वैसे ही हो जाता है.
You cannot say, for example, here pachikari.
हाँ, नहीं, वो शब्द नहीं है ना. दैट इज द थिंग. एग्जैक्टली. पाचिकारी इज नॉट अ शब्द. यू वांट टू से पच धातु, यू से पचः और पाचकः. दोस टू आर ओके. सो इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द शब्द. वस धातु विल बिकम वासी, but pach dhatu will not become pachi.
Pachi, yeah.
But there can be an interesting exercise of taking one dhatu and seeing it in various pratyayas.
Yeah, it'll be an interesting exercise, but we'll have to find some time for that. That will be very interesting. If you can see it, sometime we can discuss it together. That is a very good exercise actually, to see how it will form and intuitively what you think. And then we can find the correct. So that is how the intuition builds, right? You because we have read other Sanskrit and so many other places, intuition will keep building that.
Actually, if we can figure out some way to convert that page 322 into some kind of an Excel sheet, then we can add the
Maybe.
other pratyayas.
True.
And we don't need to take all the words. We can take the more common words that we are used to.
Yes. True.
And then just extend it across.
True. And I want to point one thing here. You see kru dhatu. Kru dhatu we have seen in other karta ke arth mein also. In fact, kru dhatu in trich pratyay became karta.
Correct.
And in ghe pratyay and in other pratyayas, ach pratyay, yat pratyay, etc. it was karaha. And here you see kari.
Yeah.
Because of the upasarga. Upakari, not upakaraha, not upakarta, not apakarta, apakari, adhikari, not adhikarta. Upasarga also has a role. In this way, we have tried to see all the pratyas so far in an hour. Tomorrow we will start with Abhyasa 50, Kimasti? द्वापञ्चाशत् I think, or एकपञ्चाशत्. द्वापञ्चाशत् 52. Tomorrow तद्धितम् अतु प्रत्यय. Atu pratyaya is coming tomorrow. Earlier also we have seen the shabda. Now the rule itself is going to come.
Another on.
That is also on. Correct.
That's also another on.
Correct. Actually, I had asked Swamiji the same question. How to differentiate between Matup, Shanach and what is the other? Tavatu. This is a long time ago, but I had asked the same. And also, the same thing for another 3 pratyas were very similar. This, I forgotten which, but there are 3 or 4 other pratyas which are very similar. He just said, you have to see the Shabda and the Artha. You see the context where it is coming. That will give clarity. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vishishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Bhadarayam Sutra Bhashya Katau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagini Vyomavadyartadehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om.